today I'm back with another unboxing. Today I have another Apple product. I ended up getting the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, the 6th generation, 256 gigabytes, and I am so happy. I've had every iPad mostly. I've had the mini, I've had the regular iPad, I think generation 8. Then last year I had bought the Air 4, and now I have this one. And I'm so happy because it is huge. And I also got an Apple Pencil to go with it because my old one that I had does not work with it. It didn't even work with my last iPad Air. So stay tuned. I love how this charger is like rope material. I cannot believe how big this is. Like, I love it. Way bigger than my iPad Air. And I would compare sizes, but I traded that in at Apple, so I don't have it anymore. I was gonna keep it and then send it off, but when I went to the Apple store, they was like, we'll take it now. So I just let them take it. But this is the biggest iPad I've had, and I love it. I've also got me a screen protector and a case that I ordered off of Amazon. I'm thinking about getting the Magic Keyboard from Apple, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use a keyboard like that. And then I was thinking about getting their case for the iPad, but I noticed it just kind of sticks on there. It's a magnet, and I don't know how good that is. So I wanted something that actually this sits into. So I set it up. It's the same old setup, so I didn't see no point in showing that. Put my background that I wanted, added my stuff, and I love it. I even found this cute keyboard app. Okay, so now it's time to unbox the pencil. So that is the pencil. Comes with booklet, all that good stuff. And I think that's it. I'm actually shocked there's no tips in here because that first pencil I had tips in it. Make sure. Yeah, there's no tips in it. Interesting. I guess we get less and less every product. I like this. It's different from the first one, which I have in my closet. So I got my case on and my screen protector. And it is very sturdy, it stands up and everything. I'll put the link to the case down below and the screen protector. And it came on really good, no air bubbles or anything. I played around with the iPad a little bit more. It is super fast because it has the M2 chip, and the music quality is amazing. These speakers that they put on this is so loud. Like you can feel like the bass kind of shaking through it. It's really good. It's the best of the best, I'm telling y'all. And I also found me my journal app I've been looking for. I'm about to go on vacation, so this is my vacation. I had marked it in my journal. I'll be back home this day. And this is cute. I'll be on Roblox with my daughter sometimes. I'm going to try to draw something for y'all. Don't judge me. I'm thinking about getting the paper screen protector so it's easier to draw. I love how this pencil sticks to the side because the old one wasn't like that. How cute. And I made sure to get a case that was open right here because they did have some with like a little slot, but I didn't want the slot. I just wanted something that could snap on the side because it also charges it. That is so cool. But yeah, I'm loving it. Everything else, you should know how the iPads run, like the music, how everything looks. It's just like the phone, but bigger. But I definitely recommend this. This is way better than any iPad I've had, I swear. I love it so much. Apple did a good job on this. Like, a really good job. But I'm thinking about getting a keyboard, and if I do, I will do a video on that as well. But so far, I'm loving this. I'll probably keep it for a while. And that's that. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.